What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and I'm back once again with a very exciting video. In this video I'm going to review 3 perfumes from a brand owned by my brother Neeb, and I'm sure all of you guys knows about him. He started as a fragrance reviewer and he did a lot of hard work. He was very consistent, he worked very hard, and then like I think 2 years back he have launched his own brand with the collaboration of French Avenue. So he built a brand called Aromatix x French Avenue, and he sent me his 3 fragrances, but unfortunately I was not able to review these fragrances in time because last whole year was very bad for me. A lot of things were happening. I was not in the right state of mind to do YouTube videos. I was not able to focus. My channel suffered a lot because of this, but I really wanted to review his fragrances because he's like brother to me, and I have seen his journey. I know how he started and where he reached now. 2 weeks back in Beauty World Middle East 2025, I tested his new fragrances. He have launched I think 5 or 6 new perfumes, and trust me guys, I was blown away and I was very happy for him. So I will take my time because there are 3 fragrances I'm going to cover in this one video. I will try to keep myself precise and I will try to make this video short, but yes, it will take some time. So in this video, let's talk about the first batch, the first generation of Aromatix French Avenue perfumes. So here I'm going to review 3. The first one I'm going to talk about is Royal Taboo, and the second one which I'm going to talk about is Xandel, and the third one will be Carnal Desire. So as you can see, presentation is same for all these perfumes. The only difference will be the color of boxes and the color of bottles. I will show you the presentation of the one perfume only, and then I'm going to show you only the color of the box and the bottles, of course. So you will get these perfumes in these very beautiful boxes. You can see the design. It's very punchy, very strong. You feel that action in the design here. So you'll find the name of the perfume, Royal Taboo, with the Perfume here on the top, printed in gold, and then you will see the name of the perfume, Aromatix, and then French Avenue here in the down. And by the way, this is the part of original bottle. This is a cutout, and I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of videos for his brand, but I just want to explain it from my side. And then in the back here you will find all these ingredient details, and once you are going to open the box, this is how the box will open, and see the bottle. Bottles are unique, custom made especially for him, and some people said that they don't like the bottle. They are very over the top, but for me they are perfect. If you know Neeb, if you know his personality, he's a very nice and humble guy, but if you see his energy in his videos, he's active, he's energized, he's a little bit hyper. So this design, you know, this kind of bold design really suits his personality and to his brand. So yeah, this is the bottle. You can see this bottle is painted in brown color, but the finish is like stone. This is a rough kind of finish here on this bottle, and here this area is with gold finish. The cap here is made of metal. You will find the logo of French Avenue here on the top. So Aromatix French Avenue, see here in the bottom. I'm sure you can see it here, and this is the presentation. And then in the back of the bottle you will find the name of the perfume, Royal Taboo. So let me tell you that this perfume is inspired by Creed's Centaurus. So when we talk about Centaurus, it's about cinnamon, it's about tobacco, it's about tonka, these kind of notes. I'm not going to give you the official notes breakdown for this perfume. You can check it on the Fragrantica. I'm just going to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here, this one opens with a very nice mix of cinnamon, tobacco, cardamom, tonka, and some woody tones. And it's little bit bitter, it's little bit dry, it's spicy. The tobacco used here is not honeyed, but it's little bit bitter and on the drier side. Overall smells really nice. So if you have ever experienced Creed's Centaurus, you are definitely going to love it. This is not one-on-one clone. He have tried to do his own twist here, but yes, the DNA is same. If you like Creed Centaurus, you are definitely going to love it. Cinnamon is very strong in the opening, but in like 10 minutes, it's all about tobacco, that dry, bitter tobacco with some woody tones and powdery tonka. I'm trying to be very short but precise. So this is about Royal Taboo, and it's very close to Centaurus. And if we talk about performance, this thing is strong. You need like 4 to 6 sprays maximum, and they are going to stay with you for the whole day. You are good for the whole day. Projection very strong, longevity amazing. So performance is not an issue here, not at all. Definitely when someone like Neeb is going to make something with his name on that product, he will not make it bad, you know. So this is Royal Taboo from Aromatix French Avenue, and very strong scent. For the gender, for me personally, I would love to smell this perfume on guys. So for me, it's a masculine scent. It's strong, masculine. If you're a guy with a long height, you are with a big build, have some beard, you're a macho man, then this thing is for you. For the age, you should be a little bit mature. This is not for kids. You should look strong enough to carry this kind of bold fragrance. For the season or weather, definitely this is for cold weather. And if we talk about occasion, so I would say not for gym, not for sports activities, but other than that, if you're going for pubs, for clubs, for party, if you're going to ride your Harley Davidson, it's winters, and if you're going to a wedding party where you want to be strong and loud, you know, that kind of scenarios or some special scenarios will be best to use this perfume. So this is about Royal Taboo from the house of Aromatix French Avenue. Now let's jump to the second perfume, which is Xandel, and this is the box color. Okay, and now let me show you the bottle. And the bottle here is really beautiful. It's transparent with gold and golden color used, so it gives you beautiful feel here. Have a look, very beautiful. The bottle shape, everything is same, the cap, everything is same. And now let's talk about the fragrance. So I have just sprayed it on this blotter paper, and let me tell you, this thing is not for the faint-hearted. You should be in the game of perfumery for some time, and you should be in the game of niche fragrances for some time. If you're a beginner, you like cool water kind of scents, and if you are still surviving on deodorants and you love YSL Y, then this thing is not for you. This thing is killer. It's hard, it's strong, it's complex, and just for seasoned noses. Even for me, to be very fair, I love Neeb, I love his products, his fragrance is nice, but personally, even it's little bit difficult for me to pull it off, because the scent profile here is somehow, it's something which I'm not very fond of. This perfume is very famous, by the way. You know, in the US, in Europe side, the people are getting crazy for this because of the weather. Because if it's cold, really cold, if the temperature is in minus, then I would love to use this perfume. I have tried this perfume in my office like a couple of times. Personally, for me, it was really difficult because this is so strong. It becomes very heavy on your nerves. But in the air, it smells really nice, and I got a lot of compliments, especially for the ladies. So here, if you see the notes breakdown, you will find that a lot of vanilla used here. There is Madagascar vanilla, there is bourbon vanilla, there is vanilla absolute, a lot of vanilla, some patchouli, and then some rum. So for me, this is like boozy vanilla, very strong boozy vanilla with very strong patchouli. Then you will get that chocolate with cream inside. Here is like chocolate truffle, but if you have ever tried this chocolate filled with cream, so this dark chocolate filled with cream, so it's creamy, it's boozy, it's somehow powdery, little bit woody, a very complex scent with very strong patchouli here. And then there is rum, but it's not very boozy kind of scent. For me, it's more like boozy vanilla instead of normal boozy scent where you will get that accord of cognac, or you get that fruity rum. This is more towards like a boozy vanilla side. So yeah, this is how this perfume actually smells, and it's very strong. But the dry down is amazing. In the dry down, you will start to get that powdery tonka beans, the vanilla, and that very strong boozy vanilla note will become a little bit softer. The oud will comes up, and those woody notes will become very nice. So if you like challenging perfumes and you want to smell really unique, you want to stand out of the crowd, then try Xandel from Aromatix French Avenue, and you will be loving it. But for me, I would love to wear this perfume only in minus temperatures. Performance through the roof, 2 or 3 sprays maximum, and you will be good for the next 2 days. And for gender, yeah, it's a unisex scent. Ladies or gents, anyone can rock it, but ladies are going to love it more, and it's going to suit them more. And for the age group, you should be mature. Once again, all these 3 fragrances are for mature people. And if we talk about the occasion, yeah, whenever you want to be loud and you want to stand out and you want to smell unique and different, use this perfume. Season cold. And we will talk about the price in the end, because the price for all these 3 fragrances are same. And now let's jump to the last one, and here I'm talking about Carnal Desire. You can see the color of the box. It's a red colored box here in the case of Carnal Desire, and the bottle once again is painted with this rough kind of paint, which gives you that rough ceramic stone kind of feel. So this is Carnal Desire, and this is my favorite. If I have to pick one from these 3, I would go for this, and this one smells really beautiful. Once again, complex dark scent. It's not freshy, not for the beginners, but yeah, this one smells just wow. This is my kind of thing. Carnal Desire. This perfume is inspired by Maison Crivelli's Cure Infra Rouge. I haven't tried the original one, but I'm sure it will be good, because once you see the notes breakdown, you can guess that yeah, this is something really nice and amazing. So here, if we talk about the scent profile of Carnal Desire, this one it opens with leather. It's a strong but smooth, very strong leather, salty kind of leather, mixed with a very strong note of cotton candy. So salty, strong leather mixed with that sweet, sugary cotton candy. Then you will get a strong, beautiful note of raspberry. Maybe you are going towards a Tuscan leather, but no, the notes are same, but it's not going to smell like a Tuscan leather. Cotton candy is very different here. Imagine like Baccarat Rouge 540 mixed with Tuscan leather, something like that, but it's unique on its own. So yeah, then you will get a note of raspberry, and then amazing oud, strong oud. So this is all about these 4 things: leather, cotton candy, raspberry, and oud. And I love this fragrance. This is really dope, really dope. And the dry down of this perfume, once again, is really amazing. It's soft, little bit buttery, it becomes a little bit smoky. Leather will stay with you, raspberry will stay with you, cotton candy will stay with you, but somehow it will become a little bit woody. It become more soft and rounded in the dry down, and you smell more delicious, complex yet delicious at the same time. And really, I love this. I love this stuff. Carnal Desire from the house of Aromatix French Avenue. And once again, performance through the roof, 4 or 5 sprays and you are done. And if you talk about the gender, masculine scent, but ladies, if you are a strong independent lady, you can rock it. Age group, you should be a little bit mature, 20-22 plus, you can rock it easily. Season, of course, once again, cold weather. And occasion, once again, man, if you are going on a date, you are going in a club, you are going in a pub, you are going in a fight club to see wrestling, you are going for skiing, you are going to ride your, man, it will work great, except your sports activities. It will work in any kind of scenario. So yeah, this was about Carnal Desire. And now let's talk about the price. So when these perfumes were launched, the price tag was, I think, 150 or I think 180. I really forgot. But now, because in last year, the price of fragrances have gone high. all the brands have raised their prices. Definitely because of more expensive materials, everything in the world is going up and up and up. Inflation is everywhere. So yeah, the current price of these perfumes right now inside UAE is 220 UAE dirhams. So still, for 220 UAE dirhams, these kind of scents, strong and niche class scents, are still good to have. So for me, 220 is really fine. And the quantity you will get here is 100 ml. And the concentration is, forget about concentration, man. These perfumes are beast. Forget Eau de Parfum, Parfum, whatever. These are beast scents. So 220 dirhams for 100 ml of niche quality juices from Aromatix, French Avenue. This was my review. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in my another review of some other great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.